In this video, we will learn how to construct a short, useful sentence in Finnish using the word pitää. Let's say it together. Pitää. Pitää. So it has the double ä at the end. Pitää. So again, ä is more like the short a sound in English, like cat, hat, bat, sat. Ä, pitää, and just extend the end a little bit longer. It's not pitä, it's pitää. Okay, because there's two of them. Pitää. So what does pitää mean? In English, if we translate it, it means have to or to need to do something. Now, as a little pointer, pitää does have various other meanings. One that you probably already know, meaning to like something. Mä pidän susta. I like you. So here the word pitää is used in two different ways, meaning two different things. And I do have a video about pitää to mean to like someone or to like something. And you can check out that video. I linked it down below if you're interested in learning more. But this video is specifically focused on using pitää to mean to need to do something or to have to do something. In kirjakieli, if I need to say I have to or I need to, I would say minun pitää. Minun pitää. Now to change this into puhekieli, we just change the pronoun form minun into mun. So it would just swap into mun pitää. Mun pitää, meaning I need to or I have to. Okay, let's start building sentences. So one thing you need to know is after you write or say mun pitää, the verb will be in the basic form. For example, I could say mun pitää syödä. I need to eat or I have to eat. Oh, mulla on nälkä. Mun pitää syödä. So here, syödä is in the basic form, and you're basically saying, I need to eat. I have to eat. Mun pitää syödä. Ei mennä vielä. Mun pitää syödä ensin. Mulla on tosi kova nälkä. Then you might open the fridge and be like, voi ei! Täällä ei oo ruokaa. Mun pitää mennä kauppaan. I have to, I need to go to the store because voi ei, täällä ei oo ruokaa. So here, mun pitää mennä, to go, is in the basic form. Mun pitää mennä kauppaan. Kauppaan, to the store. Now that I'm in the store, I suddenly remember, actually, there's something else I need to buy. Mun pitää ostaa synttärilahja mun siskolle. So mun pitää ostaa, to buy. So I need to buy, I have to buy synttärilahja mun siskolle. A birthday present for my sister. Mun pitää ostaa synttärilahja mun siskolle. Then you're looking at the options. Some things are very expensive and you're like, I can't buy that. Mun pitää säästää rahaa. Mun pitää säästää. Säästää. So that means to save. Rahaa, money. Mun pitää säästää rahaa. I need to save money. Mun pitää, I have to, I need to. Mun pitää säästää, I need to save. So then you decide to call your sister and see what present she wants. So then you might say, mun pitää soittaa mun siskolle. Mun pitää soittaa. Soittaa is to call. Mun pitää soittaa. I need to call or I have to call mun siskolle. To my sister. Alright, so the main takeaway of this video is mun pitää is the puhekieli form of I have to or I need to. And whatever you have to or need to do, just put that verb in the basic nominative form after the word pitää, and you have your full Finnish sentence. So why not practice this in the comments down below? Write one thing you need to do today and start the sentence by just typing mun, pitää, and then one verb in the nominative form. Go ahead, practice now, and I will see you seuraavassa videossa. Kiitos kun katsoitte, moikka!